Well, here we are again. Another beautiful day. Me and my puppy. What's up, Joey? Ready to do some carving. Can't wait. Been working on that eagle. That's part of the log that I'm going to do a bunch of different stuff on there. Maybe a bear, or maybe a tree spirit. I don't know. We're going to have to see how it goes. But one thing I know, it's going to be cool. I got that one, and I got that big 6-foot log. It's about 6.5 feet log coming up. Going to be doing both of those in the very near future. I just really love doing this, and here we are. There it is so far. Gonna be working on that bad boy. So here we go. another day. Beautiful day out here for carving. Super pumped. As always, I love doing this. It's just something I just can't get enough of, and I really enjoy it. So I've been working on this eagle, bear, wood spirit carving, and so far it's been going really well, but my issue is I don't know if the piece works as a whole. I'm not sure if it works as a whole altogether. So this is what I have so far. You can see that we got the wood spirit and the bear head over the wood spirit, which I thought was pretty cool. And then we've got our eagle on that post, and I was going to do a little ladybug here, and then do cut in some other designs, but I'm not really sure if this whole thing is working together. So I'm kind of feeling like maybe I get two pieces out of one with this, and maybe I give it a cut right across here, and then this cut down with this log right down there, and then this will become one piece, the eagle with a foot for a stand, make that like some roots curving down towards the ground, and then I could do like a log post coming out here to hold a sign or a mailbox or something cool like that, and then I would have two pieces. But I'm still just kind of going back and forth on that move in my mind because it's something you can't come back from, but I'm thinking that's what it's going to end up being. I don't know what else I'm going to put on this. Got a lot of work to do on both, but I might just go ahead and pull the trigger on ripping that into two pieces before I go any further. So let's see what happens.